In today's video, I'm going to show you how to free up storage in ChatGPT by deleting unwanted images and files from your library. Open your web browser. Search for ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT loads, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the menu and find the library option. Select it to open your saved files and images. Once you're inside the library, you'll be able to browse through the different images and files associated with your ChatGPT account. Depending on how much you use ChatGPT, you may see quite a large number of items here. You can also see information such as the file name and size, which can help you identify larger files that you may want to remove first. Now, you could simply select an image, click delete, and remove it. However, if you have hundreds of files, doing this one at a time would be extremely slow and frustrating. That's why we're going to use the bulk selection option instead. Move your mouse over the files you want to remove and select them. Rather than deleting just one file, you can select multiple items together. Here you can see 59 files are selected. Once you've selected the files you no longer need, click delete and then confirm by selecting delete permanently. And that's it. ChatGPT will begin processing the selected files and removing them from your library. Keep in mind that the deletion process may not happen instantly. If you're deleting a large number of images or files, ChatGPT can take some time to process everything. So, don't worry if the files don't disappear immediately. Simply leave the browser tab open and give the system some time to finish the process. Once the first group has been deleted, you can return to the library and continue working through the remaining files. Scroll down to load more images and files. Then, select another group, choose delete, and confirm the permanent deletion. You can repeat this process several times. Once you get used to the bulk selection process, managing your ChatGPT library becomes much easier. So, if your ChatGPT storage is getting full and you have a lot of old images or files sitting in your library, this is a simple way to clean things up without spending hours deleting everything individually. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All the best.